Hello friends, I welcome you in lecture number 16 on complex integration. In this lecture we are going to discuss one more problem on Cauchy integral formula. This problem was asked in GTU Summer 2021 exam. So here we are asked to evaluate this complex integral of function 2z plus 5 divided by z square plus 4, where C is the circle mod z minus I equal to 2 described in the positive sense. So here given contour is circle with center I and radius 2. So first we write given contour is C mod z minus I equal to 2. So clearly this is a simple closed contour. Now function is 2z plus 5 divided by z square plus 4. So this is a rational function, division of two polynomials, and we know that rational function is analytic everywhere except those points at which denominator becomes 0. So this function is not analytic for those values of z for which z square plus 4 equal to 0. So if we solve this, we can rewrite this as z square equal to minus 4, and we can replace minus 1 by I square. So this gives us two possible values, z equal to plus or minus 2i. So this function is analytic everywhere. This function will be analytic everywhere except these 2 points, z equal to 2i and z equal to minus 2i. Now if we put z equal to 2i in this equation of circle, if I put z equal to 2i here, I have 2i minus I, that is absolute value of I, which is 1 and it is less than 2. So z equal to 2i will be inside this circle, and if we take z equal to minus 2i here, then we have minus 2i minus I, that is absolute value of minus 3i, and it is 3 which is greater than 2. So minus 2i is outside this circle. It is not inside that circle. So we can see this 2z plus 5 over z square plus 4 is analytic everywhere on this circle and inside this circle except z equal to 2i. So what we can do is we can rewrite our function 2z plus 5 divided by z square plus 4 as, we can rewrite this as 2z plus 5, and we can rewrite 4 as negative of negative 4, and this is equal to 2z plus 5 divided by z square minus, and this minus 4 we can rewrite as 4i square using the fact that I square is minus 1. So this is equal to 2z plus 5 and z plus 2i times z minus 2i. So if we observe this part, 2z plus 5 over z plus 2i, then this function is analytic everywhere inside and on given circle, because this z equal to minus 2i lies outside that circle, and this z equal to 2i lies inside that circle. So we can rewrite our function in this form. So this is equal to f of z divided by z minus 2i, and f of z is nothing but where f of z equal to 2z plus 5 divided by z plus 2i, and this z equal to minus 2i lies outside this circle. Okay, we can understand with the rough sketch of this circle. I have sketched this circle roughly, circle with center I and radius 2. So we can see this 2i is inside this circle and minus 2i is outside that circle. So if we consider f of z equal to 2z plus 5 over z plus 2i, then this function is analytic everywhere inside and on this circle, which is a simple closed contour. And if we concentrate at this point 2i, then 2i is interior to this circle. So 2i lies inside C, or 2i is interior to C. So we can see hypothesis of Cauchy integral formula is satisfied. Cauchy integral formula says that if your function is analytic, function f of z is analytic everywhere inside and on a simple closed contour, and if this point z0 lies inside that contour, then value of this integral along simple closed contour is given by 2 pi I times value of this function at point z0, that is 2 pi I times f of z0, where we require that this function f of z is analytic everywhere inside and on this simple closed contour C, and z0 is inside that circle or that simple closed contour. In our case, simple closed contour is circle. So if you observe this function f of z over z minus 2i, then here f of z is analytic everywhere inside and on this circle, and this 2i is inside this circle. So we can apply Cauchy integral formula. So therefore, by Cauchy integral formula, integral of f of z divided by z minus 2i along this contour C equal to 2 pi I times value of this function f of z at point 2i, that is value of f at point 2i. So now we find out value of function f at point 2i. So we substitute z equal to 2i here on the right hand side. So we have 2 into 2i plus 5. We have 2z plus 5, and we are substituting z equal to 2i. So 2 into 2i plus 5 divided by z plus 2i, that is 2i plus 2i. So we are putting z equal to 2i here everywhere in the right hand side. 2 into 2i plus 5 plus 2i plus 2i. So this is going to be, if we simplify this, 2 pi I, this is 2 into 2, 4i plus 5 divided by, here I have 2i plus 2i, that is 4i. Now we can cancel out this 2i, 2 will cancel out, here I will cancel out, and we have pi by 2 times 4 into I plus 5. So this is the value of given complex integral. Now we can substitute f of z here. Okay, f of z is 2z plus 5 over z plus 2i. So finally f of z was 2z plus 5 divided by z plus 2i divided by z minus 2i, and therefore if we rewrite this, then it is 2z plus 5 divided by z plus 2i into z minus 2i, that was z square plus 4. So this is the value of this complex integral. We can rewrite this as 5 plus 4i. Okay, so in this way we can easily evaluate this type of integrals using Cauchy integral formula. So this is all about this session. I hope you like it. Thank you very much.